Okay, so I got the Poco X8 Pro Max recently, and I heard that this thing was a really good value gaming phone. So there was only one thing I wanted to do. Well, aside from wanting a new phone, like this is actually like my phone, right? I do want to check out the gaming capabilities, so I installed some games, and I guess we'll see how they run. So, these are the games we're gonna be testing. So real quick, this is not gonna be the most professional, I guess, test. It's just, we're basically going off of vibes, alright? So, let's start off with... That's right, some Genshin Impact. And let's mess with the brightness, because I swear it's a little too dark. By the way, we're starting on 86% in this test, so, first game, Genshin Impact. I'm literally waiting for it to load, and I have no idea what's taking so long. Real quick, these are the graphic settings that we're going to be working with. Pretty much everything is set to high or highest. Yeah, feel free to read all that if you want to, and it literally says overclocked in current performance load, so I have no idea what that means, but we're about to find out together. Okay, so we're here in a place called Liyue. I feel like a place like this is probably sort of perfect. You know, a lot of buildings around, a lot of NPCs around, and I'm not gonna lie, we are pretty much running at, through the turbo thing, 60 FPS, which is, you know, 5960, it's pretty much there. Now, the thing is, the game is kind of capped to 60 FPS, but oddly enough, with the wild boost that's in this phone, you can kind of do some things. Like, check this out. If I switch to Wild Boost, right, it literally goes over 60. Like, we're literally hitting 60, 70, and all of that. Let me show you guys smart frame rate. I think that's what the feature is, and it allows us to go over the normal limit. And if we had lower settings, we could probably reach a consistent 120. I really don't exactly know the technology in this phone that causes that to happen, but hey, it's cool, and I'm not gonna lie, this game really does feel buttery smooth on this phone so far. So I know we really haven't done much but run around, but I feel like there is a lot going on, you know, in terms of, you know, NPCs having to like load in the world. Okay, a little bit of lag there, I believe, but I think that was just to load in this part of the map, and I don't know, it looks good, it feels good, it plays good, and I guess we'll go into some combat to see what's up. So let's see what we can find. Okay, so I decided to run towards Mondstadt because I kind of sort of forgot pretty much everything in the game. But alright, it started raining. You know, maybe rain can affect how the game performs, since it has to load in like a bunch of rain animation, all that. And oh, okay, found a fight. Perfect, alrighty. How you doing, guys? It's been a while. Let me just heal up the team a little bit. There we go. Thank you. Official should be helpful right now. Alright. Yep. And go to space, buddy. Alright, that felt alright. Okay, where the heck did you come from? Oh, I saved somebody? Yep. As expected. Thank you. I don't know. It feels like this game really is just running really well, aside from that one lag spike earlier, and seems like with the boost we're at like getting to 80 frames, but we're definitely above 60 most of the time. I feel like you definitely don't need it if you're used to 60, but if you want anything higher, yeah. Also, we're at high settings, so I'm pretty sure if I toned it down, we'd probably hit 120, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like these settings, and I guess we'll go for a quick fight. Or we can just quickly do this. Come on, guys. There we go. And then... Alright. Oh, we already won. Okay, I was about to start attacking ghosts. But okay. Game runs good, I feel. We're swapping through characters without a hitch. And yeah, alright. I feel like... I don't know, I feel like a real test would be a boss fight, but I'm not gonna lie, it's been so long since I've played the game, I don't know a proper boss to fight. And I also am very low on health, so... Alright, we're on COD Mobile now, and we have graphics quality set to very high and frame rate to ultra. We can't set it any higher than very high, or else, well, it just won't work. 120 FPS, so let's get started. Okay, so we are running at 120 here in multiplayer. I feel like the real test will be when we try Battle Royale. I don't play a lot of Battle Royale, but since, you know, obviously it's a bigger map over there, a lot more stuff going on. I'm going to imagine that's gonna, you know, it's gonna be more taxing to the system. But for multiplayer, I am not gonna lie, this is perfect. Like, you are probably gonna, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I also like play at low usually, right? I'm literally just doing high for the video. But, you know, yeah, you see, everything's running smooth. I'm not playing smooth, though. But, I don't know. I just prefer low. I know, like, this, you know, processor can easily handle very high pretty much at all times. But, yeah. Anyways, let's try to be a little more impressive instead of trying to showcase everything. So, let me just try to lock in. All right. Oh, you were a guy. Okay. I don't know. I feel like I wish I could keep the FPS thing on, but every time I check on it, it does seem like we are at 120. So that's good. Alright, alright. I don't know. Also, this thing comes with a really big battery, too. Like, what was it? 8,500 milliamp hours, and who sniped me? No, seriously, who the heck was that? Ooh, a lot of people through there. Come on, guys. Oh my gosh. Come on. COD Mobile is a very optimized game, right? You can pretty much run this on anything, but running it at high settings at, you know, or very high settings at 120, now that's the magic part. So, where the heck is dude, I swear I hate this map. Like, I should have waited till we got a better map to play on. Just straight up, because, oh my gosh, people either camp or I just can never find anybody. Alright, now truth be told, I do not play Battle Royale at all, really, so we're probably going to be entering a bot game. But this is just a lobby, a bunch of players on here, if not bots, and what are we running at? Let's see. 120 FPS, that's a wild boost on. Let's turn it off and see what we're normally going to get. And it seems like still 120, like, goes down a little bit. The thing with wild boost is I'm pretty sure you're going to, like, overheat more, just because I don't think the processor is trying to balance anything. It's just trying to give you as much pure power as possible. I could be wrong about that, but let's see if, you know, the phone maybe cools down a bit. But it seems like from running around just here in the lobby, we are, you know, hovering around the 120 mark, going down to 116 there, but it seems like this should work. All right. Look at that, look at that. That's the squad. I normally don't play squads either. I prefer solo, but hey, you know, sometimes teammates work out. All right. Woo! No, this is smooth. What? They gotta start letting us post 120 videos, guys. Like, what? Okay, we're jumping just perfect since we got a leader. So, yeah, no, 120 throughout this free fall. Following the leader. Yup. Okay, okay. I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. This is extremely smooth. The game looks good, too. It's very high on. What? Alright, let's see. How about, like, actually having a weapon? That'd be nice to try out. There we go. USS-9. Give me all that. Give me that. Ooh, okay. I wish we could find someone to shoot so we can see, you know, how things go. But, dude. No, this is running good. Let's see. Yeah, no, 120, 117-ish. Oh, dude, this is... Again, like I said, normally I would play it very low or medium, and, you know, I feel like in those settings, it would definitely most likely stay at a much better frame rate, right? So there we go. Let's play it up. All right. Yes, guys. Should I play more Battle Royale? Is this the game mode? I'm not sure. Ooh, some action here, maybe? What's happening? I heard shots. Can I not jump up here? Okay, I don't know who I thought I was trying to jump up there like that. Yeah, nah, guys, I straight up do not see this being an issue. Everything just works. Let's try swapping to third and first. Yeah, nah, like, bro, this is so good, actually. Like, it actually feels so buttery on here. I don't know how else to explain it. Yeah, 120 still. 120, we're really not dipping. I feel like we're moving pretty quickly all over the place, too. Bro, wait. Is that somebody or am I tripping? No, that's a, that's not somebody. Okay. Let me try the boat. I want the boat. Let's see if we can, just go around and, you know, notice any lag. How do I drive this? I've never really driven a boat now that I'm thinking about it in this game. Nah, bro. Game looking good. Game's feeling good. Anyone on here? I wish I could find a person. I feel like I need to see how the FPS gets when, you know, we're in a fight. Like I said, I know this game is optimized, but, you know, pushing it with higher settings is what's trying to set this apart from, you know, pretty much everything else. So maybe it's time we move on to the next game. I don't know. I haven't really found anyone to, you know, go like this to. All right, we got Fortnite. These are the settings we have on. I'm not sure if I should be changing any of this, but this is pretty much what we're going to run with, and let's see how the game actually runs with this. All right, we're in the lobby. The good thing about Fortnite is there is a way to see FPS, and we're at 60. I genuinely don't know how to get to 120. I swear I tried everything, so let's see if we stay at least at a consistent 60. Although this does feel smooth. The sensitivity feels crazy, though. But, huh. Alright, we have auto fire. What the heck? I don't remember that being on, but okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, up in the air, you can see the whole map. Still at 60 FPS like this. It does feel like the anti-aliasing is down by a lot, if I'm going to be honest. But hey, whatever. Let's just try landing somewhere random just to see how the frames go. Let's land here. I have no idea where I'm landing, if I'm going to be honest. Tap the map. The Battle Woods, whatever that is. But okay, okay. Seems like we're staying at a stable 60. I still have no clue how to get to 120. Someone let me know what settings I should be using, because I do want to feel 120 in this game. But, alright, we need to get down. We need to get down. Come on. Good thing for us here in this game, I'm pretty sure we can easily get into a battle, so let's go. I'll be honest, it does feel good. It genuinely feels good. Oh, what the? Alright, okay, that was a kill. Ooh, these are those sprite things, alright? Okay, let's take that and take you, drink you up. I don't know, it's so weird, because I normally play Fortnite on literally anything else, right? I just always forget this game's on mobile, and it seems like it does run well. Although, I'm pretty sure you probably up the visual quality. The anti-aliasing is really what's, you know, bothering me. Like, I can see the jagged lines of the characters and all that, so yeah. But this is definitely more than playable, especially if I could figure out how to get to 120. Oh my goodness, I really am trying to figure that out. Again, someone let me know, but let's see. Can we open what's in this bus? For some reason, I thought we can get in that window, but I guess not. All right, chest. Ooh, and a shield. Half pot, perfect. Let's drink it up. But yeah, no, all right. Everything's running pretty well. I think this is doable. And there's like so many things to do in Fortnite, right? You know, creative maps and all that, other game modes. Personally, I would play Reload most of the time if, you know, whenever I'm playing in my free time, but a good old Battle Royale never hurts. But yeah, no, the performance here is surprising, and I'm pretty sure we could probably have better settings if we wanted to. Okay, Minecraft is going to be super duper simple, alright? Let's go into video settings, go to vibrant visuals. I'm going to turn on in-game graphics mode switching, but just so you guys can see, we're going to go for visuals here just to see what we got. And alright, so okay, that was already concerning, but let's create a brand new world to test out, I guess, you know, the world loading in. So create anyways. Minecraft is a pretty unique game where, you know, you could literally tweak with the settings a lot, to the point where you could literally run this game on anything if you're willing to just not have the game look as pretty. But yeah, why are my controls like this? Hold on. This is just a little easier to move around with, touch and joystick and aim crosshair. All right, there we go. But okay, let's see. Can we have this out? Okay, it seems like with vibrant visuals, we are getting like, you know, 50, 40 FPS. We're not in the 60 mark, but oddly enough, I do feel that it's playable enough for, I guess, you know, this game. However, because we can change the settings by a lot and we are going for visuals here, we can simply switch to performance if we wanted to, right? So, you know, this game will still look pretty with vibrant visuals. It's just not as pretty as it would be with, the ultra settings, and we would be hitting 60 normally. Now, if I really wanted to, have performance be the main thing, I'm not gonna lie, the moment you turn off vibrant visuals, you just go to fancy or go to simple. Yeah, no, the game's gonna consistently run smooth. Oddly enough, though, the game is capped to 60. I don't know why. When check this out, right? You go to video and you go to frame rate limit. I have it set to unlimited. Maybe I gotta set it to. Nah, it seems like 60 is the max. And can we maybe change it if I go to performance, enhanced visuals? I don't think we can. Maybe we overclocked. Let's see. Let's do that. Do that. Yeah, no. Nothing we can do to get past 60. But it's just how the game is. I don't know why. There's so many phones that have 120 hertz refresh rate. And yeah, Either way, no, this runs extremely smooth in my opinion. And you're probably going to have zero issues with Minecraft, especially if you're willing to, tone down settings, or, you can play with max if you want to. It is what it is. Alright, that was a quick game test. I'm not going to do Bloodstrike. All you guys need to know is this game is extremely optimized as well. It's going to run completely fine. The only reason I'm ending it earlier than I expected to is because my battery on my camera is about to die, so super sorry about that. Either way, if you guys want to see more gaming tests, let me know. Honestly, it's just kind of nice knowing that all these games will run well. I really need to figure out Fortnite settings, and if there's anything I can do about Minecraft getting to 120, someone let me know. Either way, that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and peace. Bye, guys. Also, by the way, the phone did end up feeling warm. Not hot, but it did feel warm, so just need to bring that up. But we have been trying to play different games for the past half an hour, and it just is how it is. And all these games were in high settings too, so yeah. Either way, I feel like it performed well, so let me know what you guys think. Also, after all that gaming, we ended at 79%. 30 minutes of gaming, by the way.